Basics of stock market. Agenda: stocks and shares, stocks exchanges, bulls and bears, brokers. In 2023, globally only 3% users are active, now gradually increasing in the counts. Stocks and shares. A stock represents ownership in a company. When you own a company's stock, you own a piece of that company. Shares are units of ownership in a company. Companies issue shares to raise capital for various purposes, such as expansion, research, and development. Stock exchanges. Stock exchanges are platforms where stocks are bought and sold. Examples include the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and the Nasdaq in the United States. Stocks are traded electronically on these exchanges, and prices are determined by supply and demand. Bulls and bears. A bull market refers to a rising or optimistic market where prices are expected to go up. A bear market is characterized by falling prices and a pessimistic outlook. Brokers. Individuals cannot directly buy or sell stocks on the stock market. They need to use a brokerage firm. A broker is a financial intermediary that facilitates the buying and selling of stocks on behalf of investors.